Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you.
Alright, hey guys, how you guys doing? Today is Saturday. Y'all just saw me do my hair. I just put the bonnet back on because this is to protect it so it won't frizz up. But anywho, this unit is a U-part unit that I had made for me. My homegirl made it for me. She did her sewing machine, so this one is something I can just put on and off. Just kind of like a quick weave. I can sew it on, but she put combs on it. So yeah, I like this hair so far. So far, so good. Yeah, today is Saturday. I hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving, a good Black Friday, and today is Saturday. Today's agenda, I know I need to upload. I got footage for a vlog I need to put on my computer and edit, so I'm not sure if I'm going to do that today or tomorrow. Probably just upload it today and edit tomorrow, but I need to do that because today is the last day of November. Tomorrow is the 1st, so the last month of the year. So yeah, as far as what else I'm doing today, I'm not sure. Just going with the flow. Already took a shower and all that good jazz. So I think it's like 10. It is actually 11:25 right now. So I don't know what's on the agenda today, but I know I need to wash my car and clean it out. So I need to do that. As far as is it gonna be today, I'm not sure. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on with that. I'm just going with the flow. So yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. I just want to really just introduce this vlog. So hey guys, this is me, Tasha. If you do like these videos that I make, please hit that thumbs up button. Let me know that you like it. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you want to see from me. And hit that subscribe button and notification button so you'll be notified when I do upload. So yeah, that's pretty much what's going on today. Just getting ready to close out the month and start a new one, the last one of the year. So 2024 is almost over with, you guys. So yeah, I just want to introduce this. So let me get myself settled and find out what I'm doing next. Then I will be back with you guys. So I'll see you guys in a few. Bye. Alright, y'all, I am back to you guys. I'm in the car headed to Walmart. I'm just gotta pick up a few things I need for the week, so I'm going to go ahead in person and do that. I'm not sure if my sister want to go to this holiday weekend shopping thing, Black Friday, Cyber Monday thing, go to the stores, but I know she needs to get some stuff for the Christmas tree because she said she want to go to Michael's or Hobby Lobby to try to get some decorations for the Christmas tree. So yeah, I know she said that, but I'm headed to Walmart right now just to see what I can go ahead and get for the week. I really didn't get nothing. I did order a heater for like $16 that Walmart had on sale. That should be here sometime this week. I did order that. And I made a little small bag from Shein that should be here probably most likely this week as well. But that's pretty much what's going on. This hair is some good hair. I like it. Bellberry. So my leave out is leaving out a little bit, but it's still blending well. I would say I did a good job. So yeah, but anywho, let me get to Walmart and I'll get with you guys when I actually get to Walmart. It's cold, so yeah, let me get back to you guys when I get to inside Walmart. That's my jacket. I'll be back.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else love me like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly, I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh, baby, on. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Alright guys, so I have eaten my food, and when I say it was busting, it was busting. So right now what I'm about to do is basically kind of have a night in. So I'm about to use this on my face and just leave it on there, I think, for 10 minutes. And I'm about to find something on Netflix to watch and upload this footage that I need to do on my laptop. So that's pretty much going on. Y'all see these dark spots I'm trying to get rid of, so they have lightened up a lot, so I will say that. So I am just doing everything I can possible to make sure I can have some clear, dark spot free face. So I'm just using this. I use this once every other week or twice. Every time I remember I need to do a face mask, this is my one I go to. So probably once a week I do it. So I got this mirror right here, just making sure this is where it needs to be. And I'm going to set up my laptop and everything. I had to put on a charger, and I am about to get ready to upload this footage. So I'll be back with you guys, probably back after I watch this off, and we can find something to watch on Netflix together. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a second.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how
they have too much because everything's been ran through. It's like a mess here. So, yeah, I am in Target. They don't have much of nothing because everything has just been ran through. Clothes and stuff is everywhere, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably just gonna have to run to Marshalls. So yeah, I'm just gonna run to Marshalls and get the couple items y'all saw me get and see what Marshalls got because I need some socks anyway. So, yeah, that's bad. So Marshalls was ran through too. I guess because I decided to come on a Sunday, everybody went Saturday and Friday, and everything is ran through. So I'm about to order me and my sister some Shanes and go pick that up and go to the house. So ooh. So yeah, that is what's going on now. Is going to pick up some food, and that's gonna be my dinner. I'm not gonna eat it right now, but yeah. Put my seatbelt on. Whew, I'm out of breath, y'all. I'm out of breath. But let me go ahead and place this order for this food, see how long it's gonna take to get there and stuff, and I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so I am currently headed to get the food. It says it's 16 minutes. And then I'm headed to the crib. I do need some socks, and I didn't look at Marshalls because, like, I guess Marshalls and Target over here is in the same plaza, and they both like run through. Like every store over here is ran through, so and I don't got time to sort and look through that. So I probably just get some socks from TJ Maxx when I'm on my side of town. Well, on my work side of town tomorrow. Since everybody going back to school, so I could probably do that. But I did get the things I got from Target. The molecules because they was on sale. So, and then like I said, another reason why I went back, I may tell my sister if she can go look online because it's 20% off. Like you get one use of it. It ends tomorrow, and I may need to tell her to go online and look because the store is horrible. Like everything's ran through, clothes everywhere. All the stuff is gone basically, like it's ran through. So yeah, I'll tell my sister when I get home. I was thinking, do I want some cappuccino because it is kind of chilly, but I think I'll be alright. But anywho, let me pick up this food. I'm 15 minutes away now. Give me a second. Whew. Good morning, you guys. It's me. I am headed to Target. Today is Sunday. I just got done with church. Well, I watched church today on TV, so I'm headed to Target to see what they have. I think I got a coupon for 20% off my one order, so I'm just going to see what they have. Really not looking for nothing, just kind of want to get out the house because this weekend. Yesterday I really didn't get out the house. I just went to the store, got something to cook, and that's all I really did. So I may need to go to the store again to get a little bit more items, but just like me, just really just getting out the house. It's cold, and I like to beat the crowds a little bit, so that's why I'm headed out now. It's currently like 11:17, so yeah. My hair is really nice, so yeah, I like these curls. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. Just wanted to check on you guys, let you know where we're headed. Yeah, so I see you guys when I actually get in Target, so we'll see what they have in store. Bye. So I am about to handle this. Back here's my clothes. I'm about to fold and sort my clothes up, and I'm currently on break right now. So basically I'm done for the night because it's dead and everything's been done. I think up to y'all. So y'all just follow me while I straighten up my room. So yeah, let's get started.